My name is Catara, the CEO of CLX Content. Just think of me as your video content bestie. I've been creating video content for businesses since the age of 19 when I was still in film school. Since then, I have not only honed my video production and social media marketing skills, but I've built a personal brand for myself on YouTube. And being on YouTube has absolutely transformed my business, even with a small channel. Starting on YouTube was honestly a game changer for me. It brought me in a steady stream of ready to buy leads, grew my email list, and even led me to the point where I created a membership where I teach people how to have the same success on the platform. What I've learned is that creating a YouTube channel as a business owner is different than creating one as a content creator. You're not on there to get views, you're there to get leads, and that's what I help with. You see, there are just so many things that you have to learn on YouTube, like thumbnails, titles, scripting videos, analytics. There's just so much you have to learn. And I know how frustrating it can be to have to worry about equipment, editing, the platforms, and then trying to work with different types of agencies and freelancers and try to stitch it all together. And on top of that, having to worry about how you're going to monetize on the platform. Trust me, I've worked with dozens of creators and business owners, and I've heard it all. That's where I come in to solve the problem for you. What I offer is the complete solution to your video content problem. You'll have one point of contact, which is me, and I'll handle everything else. That means you don't have to worry about strategizing, editing, and planning if you don't want to. Or if you just need help with editing, I have a plan specifically for that too. So who is a good fit to work with me? One, if you're a business owner, coach, service provider, or a course creator who's gotten some traction on social media, but you just can't seem to keep up with it all and you can't stay consistent. Two, you don't have the time or the energy to script, edit, and manage your videos, nor do you want to. Three, you know you should be online telling your story and promoting your business. And you know that making video content would take you to the next level, but you're either A, stuck and not sure what to do next, or B, you wish you just had somebody to just tell you what to post. If you made it to the end of this video and you're related to anything that I said, let's get started. Book a call, and I'm excited to see how we can work together to build your brand and your business through YouTube. See you soon.